presenting his government's domestic development agenda as completely in alignment with the Sustainable Development Goals, Prime Minister Narendra Modi drove home the point that poverty elimination is a prerequisite for achieving sustainable development. He was speaking at the UN summit for adopting the post-2015 Sustainable Development Agenda. He also pitched for reform of the United Nations Security Council.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the UN summit for the adoption of the post-2015 development agenda with a simple message: poverty elimination in all its forms is a precondition to achieving sustainable development, world peace and a just world. Quoting Mahatma Gandhi, he spoke of the need to address issues that concern not just the present but future generations as well, and highlighted the commonality that India's development agenda shares with the UN's Sustainable Development Goals.
हमारे निर्धारित लक्ष्यों में गरीबी उन्मूलन सबसे ऊपर है। अगर हम सबका साझा संकल्प है कि विश्व शांतिपूर्ण हो, व्यवस्था न्यायपूर्ण हो और विकास सस्टेनेबल हो, तो गरीबी के रहते यह कभी भी संभव नहीं होगा। इसलिए गरीबी को मिटाना यह हम सबका पवित्र दायित्व है।
PM pitched for reform of the United Nations Security Council, terming it essential for the world body to remain relevant and credible in the current world realities. This comes amidst India's strong bid for a permanent seat in the powerful world body.
समूचा विश्व एक दूसरे से जुड़ा हुआ है, एक दूसरे पर निर्भर है और एक दूसरे से संबंधित है। इसलिए हमारी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय साझेदारी को भी पूरी मानवता के कल्याण को अपने केंद्र में रखना होगा। सुरक्षा परिषद समेत संयुक्त राष्ट्र में भी सुधार अनिवार्य है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi called the principle of common but differentiated responsibilities as the bedrock of the enterprise for a sustainable world. He said that while working for the Sustainable Development Goals, there should be climate justice to ensure that poor are protected from natural tragedies.
अगर हम क्लाइमेट चेंज की चिंता करते हैं तो कहीं न कहीं हमारे निजी सुख को सुरक्षित करने की बू आती है। लेकिन यदि हम क्लाइमेट जस्टिस की बात करते हैं तो गरीबों को प्राकृतिक आपदाओं से सुरक्षित रखने का संवेदनशील संकल्प उभर करके आता है। क्लाइमेट चेंज की चुनौती से निपटने में उन समाधानों पर बल देने की आवश्यकता है जिनसे हम अपने उद्देश्यों को प्राप्त करने में सफल हो सके। हमें एक वैश्विक जनभागीदारी का निर्माण करना होगा।
He called upon developed nations to live up to their financial commitments to the goals of development and climate change under separate heads. The concept of personal sector as a driver of growth also figured in the Prime Minister's address. Explaining the concept, he said that India is batting for the personal sector, which includes individual enterprise, innovation and startups as the key to development. Prime Minister Modi recalled the concept of Antyodaya espoused by Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay on his 100th birth anniversary, saying that the 2030 agenda borrows from this concept of uplifting the poorest of the poor as the bedrock for sustainable development. He referred to India's ancient connect with the concept of sustainable development and conservation of environment and highlighted programs like Jan Dhan, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, Smart City Initiative that his government has taken in its efforts to eradicate poverty and ensure sustainable development.
आप सबका बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद।
As he walked out of the Central Hall, several world leaders and dignitaries reached out to congratulate him, some even clicking selfies. In a speech that lasted nearly 20 minutes, Prime Minister Modi spelled out India's commitment to achieving sustainable and equitable development in the global context. With Sudhakar Das and Ajay Mishra in New York, Bureau Report, DD News.